$1,000 per 1 million views you get on TikTok. That's what all the TikTok automation gurus are saying, but is it really legit? Well, over the next 30 days, I'm gonna run a TikTok page from scratch to see how much money we can make. And whatever profit we make gets given away to a random person at the end of this video, so be sure to watch until the end. So it's day one of this journey, and this is the page we're working with. As you guys can see, only 50 followers, 8,000 likes, but we do have some viral TikToks from some podcast clips we've been posting the last week or so. Which brings me to my first mission, achieving TikTok monetization. In order to get into their new creativity program where you get paid for views, you need to have at least 10,000 followers on your page, 100K views in the last 30 days, and finally be at least 18 years of age. All but one of those metrics has been achieved, and that's 10,000 followers on our page. So instead of continuously posting on TikTok trying to achieve that legitimately, we're gonna try and cheat, or finesse if you will, our way to 10,000 followers by going to this website, nazoop.com. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but on this website, you can actually buy followers for extremely cheap. 10,000 followers is going to cost us around $36.70, so let's click purchase, and it says our followers are going to be delivered within 9 hours and 28 minutes. And as the followers poured in, I began preparing as many 1-minute long podcast clips as possible to post when monetized, and I posted the shorter clips immediately to keep page momentum. It is now the next day, and as you guys can see, we're sitting at 8,178 followers, and we have a few drafts in the arsenal. These are 1-minute plus videos to post when this page is monetized, and on top of that, you guys can see the last few posts we made on this page aren't doing great, but all we can do is keep on pushing. And as I kept preparing more clips to post on our page, we reached 10,000 followers. Let's go, baby. Crazy enough, our page just got approved for TikTok monetization. We currently have $0 in revenue for the past 7 days, but as we start posting, that number should go up substantially. So I began taking clips from a Graham Stephan podcast with Andre Geek, along with some clips from a Hassan podcast. It is now day 5 of this challenge since it took a few days for our page to get monetization approval. Today, we ended up making a total of 6 posts on our page, and we're averaging around 1,000 views on each. The posts haven't been up very long though, so there's definitely still room for them to go up in views overnight. And as our creativity fund earnings starts loading in, I'm really curious to see what kind of RPM this content is gonna bring us. I continued posting videos the next few days. On day 5, getting 62,000 views and 84 cents earned. On day 6, I got only 16,000 views, making $4.18. And on day 7, I got 13,000 views with $4.04 to show for it. I can already tell you guys the TikTok monetization thing isn't exactly what it seems. From my phone screen, you guys can see that the RPM is mostly correct, $1.01 per 1,000 views. But that's only for qualified views, meaning the view came from the For You page and the viewer watched at least 5 seconds of the video. But the thing that kind of sucks about the Creator Rewards program is it only counts for videos you posted after you got monetized. So that video we posted with over 500,000 views that's over a minute in length and is still getting views daily won't generate any revenue. On top of that, TikTok is kind of cracking down on their content originality guidelines. They've already given me 3 strikes on my page the last few days for reposting other people's content, and if you get 5 strikes in a 30-day period, you get kicked out of the creativity program and have to reapply after a month. That's not great news, so I think it's time to look into some alternative sources of income. So I went ahead and reposted all of our videos from TikTok onto YouTube, hoping we can slowly gain enough views and subscribers on our page to get monetized. I've already been posting some of our videos on there, and so far we've seen 71 subscribers and 24.7K views. To get monetized though, you need a whopping 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days, so this may take a while. In the meantime, we're gonna set up an affiliate site to send traffic to, because in this day and age of social media, it's not smart to rely solely on ad revenue. You have to be creative and diversify your income streams. Now, I don't have too much experience building websites, so that's why my preferred website builder is Hostinger. They let you get started for as low as $2.99 per month, but with my special link down below in the description or with code FinancialWolf, you get an additional 10% off your order. Now, as for the niche of this website, I decided to go with an affiliate site promoting brokerages like Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase, which can pay anywhere from $10 to $100 per sign up, as I've been posting a lot of clips in the finance niche. Now, to get this affiliate website created on Hostinger's website, we are going to select the business plan, as it gives us access to some AI copywriting and SEO tools that will save us a lot of time. And for 12 months of hosting and a free domain, our total comes out to $53.89 after applying our coupon code. That's a cost of $4.49 per month. But to get started creating the store, we are going to select it's for myself or my business. We want to create a website, and finally we are going to select create a website using WordPress with AI, along with select affiliate marketing for the type of website. Now we simply have to name our brand. I'm going to go with the name Compound Money since it fits the whole topic of the website website we're trying to promote, where we're trying to get them to invest and start compounding their money. Then we're going to fill out a brief description going into detail on what this website is going to be about, what type of content it's going to be, and boom, Hostinger literally built out the base for our website with some articles already written about investing and the value of compounding interest. But it still needs a lot of customizing work. So I spent the rest of the day customizing this website to the max and posting more videos on the TikTok page. A little update on the Creator Fund earnings for the last few days. We are now up to $19.58. But it's a good thing that this affiliate website is now created with links to Robinhood, Coinbase, and Webull. Since unfortunately, guys, it happened. We now have 5 violations on our TikTok page and have been kicked out of the creativity program for the next 30 days. But luckily, I do have another monetized page on TikTok that has 15,000 followers and has now been wiped clean since I used to use it for a dropshipping business, and we're gonna be posting a new genre of content on there that won't break any of TikTok's rules. But while I start cooking up some content for page number 2, I'm really happy we created this affiliate site to drive traffic to. It turned out really nice since I used Hostinger's connection to WordPress to literally drag and drop all of the content. And I already posted a link to the website in my TikTok's bio, along with urge people on every single one of my videos to check it out. So if you guys want to create a site like this, be sure to take advantage of that Hostinger discount down below in the description, since they were awesome enough to sponsor this video. But with that out of the way, we have to start making content for this new TikTok page. As you guys can see, we're in the creativity program, and the content I'm thinking about making is police body cam footage. I originally got this idea from a subscriber who suggested it to me, and I noticed that there's a huge demand for this type of content on the internet. And as long as you do some of your own voiceovers and editing, it's considered fair use. Boom, guys, our first 3 videos have officially been posted on the new page. Hopefully no content originality guidelines this time, but as you guys can see on the other page, we're still getting pretty decent views, and when you go to our analytics, you can see our views are still ranging between 8,000 and 5,000 views per day. All I can hope for is that this converts to some affiliate signups. Throughout the next week, I continued posting clips on both of the pages, getting a total of 214,000 views in the last 7 days on our Planet Reddit page, with each of the posts getting tens of thousands of views. But sadly, I can't apply for remonetization for another couple weeks, so we didn't make any money. But as for the police body cam page, well, things are starting out pretty slow. As you guys can see, each of our posts are barely breaking 1,000 views, and our total earnings so far are just $1.28. But on the bright side, our website has been bringing in some money. You guys can see we have $350 in the balance and another potentially $300 of earnings pending. And randomly enough, it's all from the Coinbase affiliate, where if someone signs up with your link, you get 50% commission on their first trade, and they can get up to $200 worth of Bitcoin depending on how much they buy. Affiliate marketing is a super underrated way to make money, and by subtly promoting our website in the pinned comment of every single video across 200,000 views, the money can really add up. Even on my main channel, I actually make more money monthly from affiliate partners than I do from ad revenue. It's just about researching and finding the right affiliates to promote to your audience. But with only a few days left in this challenge before a 30-day time limit is up, I want to generate some ad revenue from our police body cam page. So instead of posting 1 video per day like we've been doing, I want to split test between 5 or 6 different videos to really test and figure out what works. With the days counting down, I got to work super hard. That's what she said. Determined to clip the most viral police body cam arrests for monetary gain.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. You're under arrest for operating vehicle impaired.
He's a celebrity. They're allowed to
I don't
do
even know
that.
who he is. I never met him in my life.
Today I posted a total of 9 videos, but views aren't doing too well. And tomorrow is officially the last day of this challenge, so hopefully views pick up overnight. And it is now the next morning, and unfortunately that didn't happen. You guys can see by my phone screen that the views on this page have remained relatively low. In May we got 303,000 views, but almost all of that is from old posts I've made from when I used to do TikTok Shop. As you can see, back in November from TikTok Shop, we were earning anywhere from $10 up to $147 in a single day. But from the TikTok creativity program, we've only made a staggering $1.28 so far. But when you add in the $19.58 we earned from our other page currently banned from the program despite 358,000 views, and the $600 we made from our affiliate website, our total earnings on this challenge come out to $620.86. And with the potential TikTok ban on the horizon, I don't know how much longer this opportunity to make money will present itself. So go out there, start a TikTok page about something you're passionate about, maybe buy some followers and see where it goes from there. Whether you want to try TikTok Shop or create a viral TikTok clipping page, this is an easy way to make money that you can do 100% from home, and all you have to do is start posting videos and see how far you can take it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this one, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.